If you ever needed to know what an album used to cost or what it costs now, surely there's a way for us to find that album within the iTunes store and look at the price tag. Can that be done? Yes, that can. Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show your albums in the iTunes store using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the desktop application Apple Music, as well as some albums that we will be exploring. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Apple Music. Make sure that you have a couple of albums on screen that we will click into and then show in the iTunes store to go and explore the price tags of the 3 albums on screen. So let's go to the bad album, right click, show in the iTunes store. And this will take us directly to the iTunes store and then tell us what the price tag of the album currently is. So we have bad on screen, which is almost £9. Let's go back to albums, go to off the wall, right click, show in iTunes store. Here we have it, £9. Let's go back, albums, let's go to the Thriller album, right click, show in iTunes store. And that should take us to the Thriller album, which is almost £8 for you to physically purchase. So you always have access to that album itself. It's not only streaming where you pay a subscription and have access to all the albums. The minute you stop paying that subscription, you lose access to the music. So that's why I say physical media is great, digital downloading is great, and the rest is history. So we can now quit music. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.